Presented by Listen Headlines. Latest financial news from trusted sources.
New York Times Business. January 19, 1904 America, New York. Why Microsoft wants Activision. Activision has a lot of popular games that fit into Microsoft's plans to build a vast library of titles that can be played on all sorts of devices. The metaverse can wait. When Microsoft announced its plans to buy Activision, the maker of Call of Duty, it said the move would give it the building blocks for the metaverse. It's simpler than that. New York Times Business. January 19, 1807 America, New York. Manhattan prosecutors return 2 artifacts to Iraq. The repatriations are among the first under Alvin Bragg, the new Manhattan district attorney, who is continuing the work of a dedicated antiquities trafficking unit created by his predecessor. A golden bowl, valued at $200,000, is one of 2 looted artifacts returned to Iraq on Tuesday by the Manhattan District Attorney's Office. The Library of Economics and Liberty. January 19, 1801 America, New York. Jonathan Chait's mistaken analogy. Various friends are linking to Jonathan Chait's recent article, "School Closures Were a Catastrophic Error. Progressives Still Haven't Reckoned with It." New York Magazine, January 17, 2022.
Global Economy. January 19, 1800 America, New York. Huawei bets big on chip packaging to counter U.S. clampdown. China tech champion doubled semiconductor investments in 2021.
Daily FX Market News. January 19, 1800 America, New York. AUD/USD rate rebound emerges ahead of Australia employment report. Fresh data prints coming out of Australia may generate a larger rebound in AUD/USD as employment is expected to increase for the second consecutive month. Daily FX Market News. January 19, 1800 America, New York. Natural gas prices fall by 5% as traders look to U.S. inventories report. Natural gas prices tumbled by more than 5% as market participants jostled for position ahead of Thursday's U.S. inventories report.
Global Economy. January 19, 1636 America, New York. Biden backs Fed's shift to monetary tightening to curb inflation. U.S. President vows to rein in higher prices that are hurting the economic recovery.
Daily FX Market News. January 19, 1630 America, New York. Russell 2000 Technical Outlook. Death cross signals another leg down in price action. The Russell 2000 could extend recent losses following the appearance of a death cross on its daily chart, a bearish technical pattern that indicates a high probability of further weakness.
New York Times Business. January 19, 1620 America, New York. How 5G clashed with an aviation device invented in the 1920s. The potential for interference between 5G signals and the radio altimeters long used by pilots has divided the telecom and aviation industries. The altimeter plays a crucial role in planes, helping pilots determine a jet's altitude and its distance from other objects. New York Times Business. January 19, 1620 America, New York. How 5G clashed with an aviation device invented in the 1920s. The potential for interference between 5G signals and the radio altimeters long used by pilots has divided the telecom and aviation industries. The altimeter plays a crucial role in planes, helping pilots determine a jet's altitude and its distance from other objects.
Daily FX Market News. January 19, 1600 America, New York. Fibonacci for a multi-market trader's approach. Fibonacci can help traders identify support and resistance levels in equity and stock markets, similar to Forex and commodities markets. Daily FX Market News. January 19, 1600 America, New York. Canadian dollar technical analysis. USD, CAD indecisive at support. USD, CAD prices have continued to consolidate within a well-defined range as major risk events loom.
New York Times Business. January 19, 1541 America, New York. Why Microsoft wants Activision. Activision has a lot of popular games that fit into Microsoft's plans to build a vast library of titles that can be played on all sorts of devices. The metaverse can wait. Playing Call of Duty, Black Ops 4 at the E3 Electronic Entertainment Expo in Los Angeles. Wall Street Journal U.S. Business. January 19, 1532 America, New York. Instagram creators can charge for subscriptions under new test service. Meta Platforms Instagram is launching trials of a subscription service that enables creators to charge users for exclusive content, as social media companies battle to attract individuals who can drive traffic to their platforms.
Marginal Revolution. January 19. 1531 America New York, Wednesday Assorted links. 1. Why Summers is a growth pessimist, short video. 2. Some sane claims about social media. 3. The forthcoming David Hackett Fisher book looks very good. 4. Ted Gioia. Is old music killing new music?
Wall Street Journal U.S. Business. January 19. 1511 America New York, competition for compliance officers intensifies amid regulatory pressures. In a tight labor market, businesses are luring compliance staff with salary increases, remote working opportunities and company equity. Wall Street Journal U.S. Business. January 19. 1501 America New York, Disney shakes up streaming management, forms international hub. The changes come amid slowing growth in sign-ups for company's marquee streaming service, Disney+.
Daily FX Market News. January 19. 1500 America New York, EUR, USD rate defends monthly low ahead of account of ECB meeting. EUR, USD may stage a larger rebound over the coming days as the exchange rate appears to be reversing course ahead of the monthly low, 1.1272.
Wall Street Journal Markets. January 19. 1459 America New York, banks' rising expenses don't have to be so costly. Investors need to stay focused on bank spending that doesn't scale with revenue, particularly in technology.
Wall Street Journal U.S. Business. January 19. 1454 America New York, flight disruptions ease as 5G goes live. Stable weather and changes following wireless carriers' temporary concession to address air safety concerns helped blunt cancellations on the first day of the new service's rollout. Wall Street Journal U.S. Business. January 19. 1344 America New York, Starbucks drops COVID-19 vaccination, testing requirements. The coffee chain was set to implement the requirement for its U.S. workers next month, but is rescinding it in light of the Supreme Court recent ruling against a federal mandate for companies.